Hello, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Hello, Facebook. Hello, YouTube. I forgot about. Okay, what am I broadcasting on? I think it's Facebook and YouTube. I think. Don't quote me on that. Hi, everyone. Come on in. 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 Let's talk immigration. Let's talk immigration. Let's talk immigration. Let's talk immigration. Come on in, everybody. Let's talk immigration. Hi, everyone. Say hello when you come on. Let me raise this a little bit up. Just see myself bending my head like that. Okay. Because my mom used to say, sit up. Shoulders back. Sit up. Hi, everyone. How was your weekend? Like I always tell you, Tuesday is mine. Monday, unless I have court, can do. Like that's when. Hello. Hello, Mr. Olale. I haven't heard back from you in a long time. How you doing? Looking forward to hearing from you. I haven't heard from you in a long time. Hello, Mr. Akindere. Sister Neil. How's your day going? Thank you to all those joining in, and I thank you all for your support each and every day, each and every time. It means a whole lot to have my Niger people rally around me and promote me. That's all I can say. Thank you all. But anyway, come on in, say hello. Let's talk about when to file for citizenship. That's what we're talking about this afternoon. Well, it's 4:46 in Alabama, so is that evening and afternoon? I don't know. Sometimes something. But anyway, let's talk about when to file for citizenship. Now, if you haven't liked our Facebook page, please do so. If you haven't followed us on Instagram and TikTok, you're missing out big time. So on TikTok, I have a theme where I do mostly Yoruba language videos. Keep in mind, my Yoruba is not the best, but that is the platform for that. And I have a lot of fun doing it because I have a lot of fun with people laughing at my Yoruba skills, which is like, okay, that's all good. But I think fun, but with information. Also visit our website, olalayalawfirm.com. You can send a text to our number 334-341-4475. Visit the website. I'll do vlogs on the website as well. And like our Facebook page, subscribe to YouTube channel. I'm everywhere, people. But anyway, one question I get all the time, and if you want to call out, the office is 334-341-4475. This is Attorney Episola Olale Omobabasem. It's my sweet dad. Yeah, he passed away 6 years ago. So, but the rest is so. Anyway, let's jump right into it. When can you file for citizenship? So, unless you're living under a rock, you know that if you don't acquire citizenship by birth, meaning you're born here or born in another country, but you acquire through birth, report of birth abroad, or when you come in as a green card holder, then you acquire citizenship automatically. Or if your parents naturalized, then if you're under the age of 18 and you're green card holder, then you can acquire citizenship automatically. If you don't fall within any of those categories, then you are someone who is going to apply for naturalization. Question is, at what point are you eligible to apply for citizenship? So that's what we're going to delve into this evening. It's going to be pretty short, but that's a question I get a lot on Facebook and Instagram. And so let me just do a video. And so if you know anyone who is in that situation, please share the video with them. So nobody else is going to ask, because I'm going to tell them, I did a video on it. Go watch YouTube and Facebook. When you are, before you can apply for naturalization, you must be a legal permanent resident. One of the things that people always ask, another question I get is, does the time I am on conditional residency status count towards citizenship? And the short answer to that is yes. Yes. That time counts towards the calculation for citizenship. So when you're eligible for naturalization, two things. You either are applying based on being a legal permanent resident, aka green card holder, for at least 3 years, and you are basing that when you're married to a citizen and your spouse continues to be a citizen at the time you apply for naturalization, and you are still in marital union with that spouse. One of the things you're required to do is you have to provide proof to USCIS that you are still legally married and in good faith married to your spouse. So the same evidence you used during the time you got your green card will practically be the same evidence you're going to use while you file for citizenship based on 3 years as a legal permanent resident married to a United States citizen. Taxes, birth certificates for the children, utility bills, lease agreement, mortgage, photographs, all of that comes into play when you file for citizenship based on 3 years married to a citizen. If you're not filing based on marriage to a citizen, then you will file for naturalization as based on being a legal permanent resident for 5 years, and you don't have to prove that you're married to a citizen. That is just 5 years as a legal permanent resident. If you are divorced, say for instance, you get your conditional residency, and you were granted a 10-year green card from being a conditional residency based on divorce, that means that you're no longer living with your spouse and you no longer qualify for the 3 years as a spouse of a citizen. You are still able to count the time as a conditional resident towards the 5 years to make up for the 5 years to apply for naturalization. So that still counts. Now, in both cases, whether you're filing based on 3 years and married to a citizen or based on 5 years as a green card holder, you are able to file your citizenship 90 days before the 3rd anniversary, 90 days before the 5th anniversary in either cases. This is where it gets interesting. If you file for your 10-year green card, because you were a conditional resident, you file for your 10-year green card, you are granted a waiver-based, abuse waiver-based petition. When you file a 751, you base it on abuse, and that you are granted that abuse-based waiver of the 751 to get your 10-year green card. You can still qualify to file for citizenship if your spouse was a citizen, but that was the person who abused you, and even if you're no longer married to that spouse, if you are granted that abuse waiver ground, you're eligible to file for citizenship even after 3 years, regardless of whether you're married to that spouse or not. Now, where it gets interesting again is this. If you get your 10-year green card and you are given the 10-year green card as a vow self-petitioner, and you were married to a citizen, whether or not you're still married to that citizen, as long as your spouse was a citizen and you got the 10-year green card as a vow self-petitioner, you're eligible to file for naturalization after 3 years as a green card holder. I know it gets like, okay, say that again. Yeah. So it really, really boils down to what is your present status and how did you get your green card? Did you get your green card based? Do you have your green card? And have you been a green card holder for 3 years? Are you still married to a citizen and you're still in good faith married to a union? You qualify for 3 years to file for citizenship after 3 years. If you got your 10-year green card based on you're a conditional resident, but you got it based on good faith married, but married and in a divorce, you're no longer married to your citizen spouse or green card holder spouse, you have to wait 5 years. If you got your green card based on marriage to a citizen, but as a vow self-petitioner, but your spouse is a citizen, regardless of whether you're still married to that person or not, you're able to file for naturalization after 3 years as a permanent resident. Also, if you got your 10-year green card, you're married to a citizen, but you got your 10-year green card after being a conditional resident, and you're no longer married to your spouse, and you were granted a 10-year green card based on abuse waiver, you will be able to file for citizenship after 3 years as a legal permanent resident which also includes the time you were on conditional residency status. I know, probably confused everybody. You're like, say that again. Does anybody have any question on that? Okay, you're in course. Okay, good to hear. All right. So, hey, Mr. West. You're welcome. So, it just really depends on how long you've been a green card holder, how you got that green card to start with, what is your relationship with the spouse or ex-spouse. That will have a lot to do with when you can file. Now, for those who got their green card based on DV lottery, the lottery system, or you get your green card based based on employment petition, EB1, EB2, EB3, then those ones would have to wait 5 years to be able to file for your citizenship. That's what I did because I got my green card as a derivative beneficiary with my ex-spouse. My kids were born here anyway, so it was just the two of us, and we filed for citizenship after 5 years because it was an employment-based green card. So if you're falling DV lottery green card category or employment-based category, then those are typically 5 years. Marriage-based, those are the ones I already explained. So I hope that makes things a lot easier, makes more sense. But if it doesn't, call my office and we can schedule a consultation for you and make it make sense. Very simple, right? But keep in mind that it's just not your status as a green card holder that matters. You also have to satisfy the other requirements for being eligible for naturalization. You're a person of good moral character, you satisfy the physical presence as well, and you're able to pass your civics test and the English language test unless you're exempt or you have a medical exemption. All of that, everything, all of that are all the requirements for naturalization for you to become a citizen. Now, we do help with citizenship. So if you need our help, which you should, just call our office. That's the best thing to do. And let us help you. Help you, help us, help you. Make sense? I don't know. Can you tell them to hide today? Oh, I'll tell you why I'm going to hide. See all of that? Let's see. Make sure nobody's... That's USCIS approval notices, biometrics, H1B. Yeah, it's just in my desk. It's a mess. It's a mess in a good way. Can't complain. Knock on wood. Changing lives each and every day. Cannot complain. So that's why I'm on the high today. Like, woohoo! Other people have to call today. Thank you, Jesus. But if we can help you with your case, contact our office. Once again, the number is 334. Let me put it back up. 341-4475. Visit the website at olalayalawfirm.com. Subscribe to YouTube channel. Follow us on TikTok. Follow us on Instagram. Like a page on Facebook. Where else? I think that's it. I'm not really everywhere. But until next time, everybody, if we can help you, we can set up a proper consultation to discuss your case. Consultation is $125 for 30 minutes, $225 for an hour. We credit that towards the total immigration fees if you retain my services within 30 days from the consultation. Until next time, everybody, make sure you subscribe, follow, and like. All right. Bye, everybody.